Minister missing as Assembly debates Zubin land dispute. Ashok Singhal absent throughout the entire winter session. Minister at Mahayagna while key questions wait in Assembly. Encroachment allegations surface, Minister still not present. When the Assembly takes up any sensitive issue, the state expects accountability. But as debates related to the Zubin Garg land dispute heated up inside the House, one of the key figures linked to the controversy was simply not there. Health and Irrigation Minister Ashok Singhal remained absent for the entire winter session, raising questions far louder than the debates themselves. The land case involving Zubin Garg led to sharp exchanges and many questions during the session that ran from November 25th to 29. However, Minister Ashok Singhal, who usually sits alongside the Chief Minister, did not attend a single day of it. According to official information, Singhal spent the whole period in Singri participating in an Atirudra Mahayagna. But the timing has been criticized because while the Chief Minister balanced both duties, attending the assembly and the puja, Singhal chose only the ceremony. The pressure only mounted because Singhal and his family have been implicated in the land dispute. When accusations of encroachment were already circulating, his complete absence only further deepened suspicion and public unease. Health and irrigation portfolios unattended during crucial debates. Opposition questions why Singhal missed every single session day. Questions related to the health and irrigation departments had to be replied to by others in the House. The opposition demanded clarity, saying that when allegations relate directly to a minister, absence cannot be coincidence. But with the land dispute in the limelight, the absence of Singhal having become a political flashpoint, the conversation is changing fast. Devotion, avoidance, or simply terrible timing. Until the minister has come up with a clear explanation, the questions will continue to mount. And so will the pressure inside and outside the assembly. News Desk report, such the reality.
বিয়া জন্মদিন বা আপোনাৰ যিকোনো বিশেষ অনুষ্ঠানৰ বাবে ওয়ান ষ্টপ সলিউশন এম্বিয়েন্স বেংকুৱেটছ আপোনাৰ প্ৰতিটো অনুষ্ঠানৰ বাবে এটাই শ্ৰেষ্ঠ স্থান গুৱাহাটীজ ফাইনেষ্ট এণ্ড লাক্সাৰিয়াছ বেংকুৱেট হল এম্বিয়েন্স বেংকুৱেটছ perfect for every celebration. For booking, contact 7099013417 or visit 5th floor above Reliance Centro, RG Burwa Road, Guwahati.